hook. If you're carrying low-rate clients who drain your time and joy, you've probably felt the two fears that keep most nomads stuck. What if I can't replace the income? And what if I burn my professional reputation by walking away? I hear that all the time. Here's the bold promise. Follow a disciplined, low-energy process, and you can ethically exit the worst-fit client and replace the monthly revenue with higher-value retainers inside 30 days without burning out on the road. Why this works? Nomad Life is a trade between mobility and income stability. You can't justify staying in low-margin work that costs you energy, mental bandwidth, and travel flexibility. This system protects three things at once: your cash flow, your reputation, and your energy budget. Psychologically, it frames the exit as a professional handoff, not a personal rejection, which keeps referrals and relationships intact. Financially, the replacement sequence focuses on short, sellable products that convert fast: a paid revenue audit, a bridging engagement, and then a retainer. The math stacks quickly if you price for value, not time. Step 1. Diagnose and prioritize. Spend 20 to 40 minutes running a quick client audit. Create 2 scores for each client: margin, how much net cash they deliver monthly, and energy drain, how much of your time, stress, and context switching they cost. Use a 1 to 10 scale. Example, a $600 per month client paying weekly invoices might be margin equals 3, but energy equals 8. Then calculate an exit priority by subtracting margin from energy. Priority equals energy minus margin. High positive numbers are your exit candidates. Focus first on clients with priority 4 or higher. Practical tip: cap yourself to exit 1 or 2 clients per 30-day cycle so you don't create chaos in your cash flow. This is a triage exercise, not a purge. Prioritize clients who, 1. have low recurring margin, 2. leech your creative energy, and 3. have weak contractual protections for you. Those are the right targets to replace quickly. Step 2. Exit with dignity. When you decide to leave, you want to minimize friction and protect cash. Use a neutral, fact-based script and offer a clear transition. Here's a short 3-line exit script you can send today. I value the work we've done together. After reviewing capacity and income goals, I'm shifting out of lower margin work to focus on higher value retainers. I'll finish current deliverables and will outline a smooth transition by date. If helpful, I can share vetted referrals. That's it. Firm, professional, not accusatory. Before you send anything, check your contract for notice periods and deliverables, prepare a final invoice and a deliverable checklist, and capture any ongoing access or assets the client will need. If you have the leverage, ask for a partial payment or escrow of work in progress. Offer a transition packet, final deliverable checklist, a short handover document, and 2 referrals or a recommended freelancer. That preserves the relationship and reduces reputational risk.
Step 3, the rapid replacement sequence. Don't leave before you've pre-sold something. The fastest path I teach is a 3-offer ladder inside 30 days. A, pre-sell a paid 60-minute revenue audit. B, convert audit buyers into a short, time-boxed bridging offer. And C, propose the retainer. The audit is a productized, outcome-focused session. 60 minutes, deliver 3 prioritized wins and a 1-page roadmap. Price the audit between $300 and $1,200 depending on niche and past results. Make it a no-brainer for clients who need predictable improvements. The bridging offer is a 2 to 4 week sprint to prove value. Price it so it covers your time and creates a visible ROI. For example, $1,200 to $4,000. Then present a retainer as the next logical step, a monthly package priced on value, often 3 to 6x the audit price for mid-market clients. Timeline example. Week 1, sell 3 audits. Week 2, deliver audits and land 1 bridging sprint. Week 3, deliver wins from sprint and propose retainer. Week 4, close retainer and plan onboarding. The key is momentum and clarity. Every audit ends with a single recommended next step and a clear price.
Real Nomad example. Jenna, a US-based remote copywriter, had 2 clients paying $700 and $900 per month. Both were high effort. She ran the audit. Margin scores were low, energy scores high, priority flagged both. Jenna pre-sold 3 $450 revenue audits in week 1 to her network and current trial clients. She offered each audit this simple deliverable, 3 prioritized copy wins, and a 1-page roadmap. One audit buyer signed a $2,000 bridging sprint after seeing a recommended headline test and an email sequence improvement. After the sprint, Jenna converted that client to a $6,000 per month retainer, focused on conversion optimization and ongoing messaging. Net result, Jenna replaced $1,600 per month of low margin work with one $6,000 retainer, regained 12 hours a week, and gained the freedom to travel without daily churn. She used the exact 3-line exit script and offered 2 vetted referrals to her former clients. No burned bridges.
How to scale without burning out. Design your replacement offers to be time-boxed and repeatable. Productize the audit and the bridging sprint, so delivery follows a checklist and a playbook. Automate scheduling, intake forms, and invoicing. Use a short onboarding template so each new client hits value quickly. Delegate execution tasks that are repeatable. Hire a fractional specialist or a vetted freelancer to run tests and draft first drafts while you steer strategy. And set hard boundaries. Limit reactive client hours to 2 blocks per week and keep a 30% runway in cash so you don't feel forced to take badly priced work. Immediate action you can take in the next 20 minutes. Run a quick client audit worksheet. Step 1. List your clients and their monthly revenue. Step 2. Rate margin 1 to 10 and energy drain 1 to 10. Step 3. Calculate priority equals energy minus margin and mark any with priority 4+. If you find a candidate, use this 3-line exit script to start the conversation. I value the work we've done together. After reviewing capacity and income goals, I'm shifting out of lower margin work to focus on higher value retainers. I'll finish current deliverables and will outline a smooth transition by date. If helpful, I can share vetted referrals. Send it today and schedule 2 audits to replace the income. Start with your warm list and past prospects. If you want the full playbook with email templates, the client audit worksheet, a 30-day timeline, and done-for-you scripts, join my Transition to Premium Clients course, link in the show notes. It's a guided plan with templates you can use on the road, plus a module on building automated onboarding so you can scale without trading time for income. That's your high-income blueprint for today. Take one action this week and start seeing results. Your skills are your freedom currency. I'm Aria Reyes. Charge what you're worth, build income that supports your lifestyle, not destroys your health. Until tomorrow.